What's up, guys? We out here in Ames, Iowa, smack dab in the middle of the Midwest. We just got hit with a blizzard the last couple days. And how many inches of snow you think we got?
12. No, probably about 10, 12.
10 to 12 inches of snow. So it's getting real out here in Iowa, but we're still here working. We came in,
Here than it is out there.
we drove through that wicked snow out there to make it to the gym, and the work don't stop. We're in here getting after it. So.
They just fuck off, don't want to do jack shit, and they just fucking. Meanwhile, we got people walking here from Mexico.
Yeah, you see it, and that's the thing. Like back to the COVID thing, man. It's a
crisis that's going on at the southern border.
Damn.
And Charles has some
That is
experiences, some stories about that.
feet high.
Joe shares his, of course.
Snow pile.
A whole bunch of information. You got some information?
Yeah.
What a blizzard.
People are coming through.
Yeah.
Crazy out here.
The problem and some of the assistance
Iowa.
we're getting from the government.
Iowa life.
Hey, finding verticals about any like
See this
terrorist
tractor
type
right up
of
here
coming
again.
through, like there is none.
Scoop.
And I have crimes. Not at all. Let's get into this. In the name calling, let's get into this.
You know, that there's personal responsibility, there's also education, there's counseling, there's a bunch of different things that can be set up to mitigate that. And I think that's the better direction.
You want to be a pilot?
What?
You want to be a pilot?
Yeah.
That's the question. This is what we do out here in the Midwest. We work. Ricardo's the official pad holder of Marriott. The OG pad holder. Let's go. Got the man in the arena. One of my favorite quotes right here. Let's check this out. The man in the arena. So the place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who know neither victory nor defeat. You know what I'm saying? As long as you go out there and you give it your all, that's all that matters. Win or lose, it's all about the experience. It's all about the journey. It's all about being better than you were yesterday. So you don't want to be one of those cold and timid souls that know neither victory nor defeat, guys. So 2024, let's get after it. We got a lot of work to do, and these gentlemen are starting it off nicely. Ricardo had to save somebody this morning. What happened this morning?
Yeah, his neighbor got stuck.
With a baby in the car?
Yeah, but the baby went inside and the guy stood out there.
You had to shovel him out?
No, I have to help him like park again because they couldn't get out of the parking lot. Yeah,
That's crazy.
it's tough.
So that's the type of stuff we got out here with this blizzard, dude. It's getting real.
How many, Luis? How many more? 6.
So what are we doing in here today?
We are doing a lot of volume, a lot of rounds. So Ellie gets ready for that, like kind of boxing fight. In case that happens.
He's got a MMA or kickboxing fight?
MMA, but now we're working on the boxing aerobic part. So
How many rounds today? 12?
12.
12 rounds?
Overall 3 minutes, 40 seconds of rest. Just get it going, work on some stuff as we go, and then repeat later with higher intensity and short time.
How long's he been getting ready? Or how long's he been training
He's been training for a month and a half so far.
for this fight camp?
For this fight camp. So we've seen a lot of improvement. And yeah, it's good when people come to train every day. That's when you actually see good results. Every single day. Even if there's nobody here, you show up. The work that you put in, it creates the evolution of the fighter later on in the next couple of weeks or so. So that's good.
Yeah, so we got a few events coming up. We got kickboxing events, MMA events coming up, Subspectrum. So I think this first quarter of the year is going to be a busy time for us. So let's get that work in and let's get after it.
Get it. Time.
Ah!
Damn, was that a jumping switch kick? That was fired. Oh, Ricardo's about to gear up. Uh-oh, the jeans are coming off. Oh, snap.
Look at that.
Man, you done asked for it, Bo. He's,
You look at that.
yeah, check him out.
Time to get hit by a fucking Hulk.
You just awakened the lion, bro.
Oh shit. I'm in the lion's den.
In the lion's den.
Yeah. Technical, no problem. I'm good. Take the gun for a reason.
Nice kick. Nice. Man, Ricardo's whipping kicks now.
I'm slow, but I'm not that slow.
Get out, put your hands high. Don't even have time to get away.
1 minute. Yeah, keep those leg kicks coming. Nice.
There you go. Above check. Check. Yes. Nice. Come on, get corner. Get out of there.
Do some hunting.
Good job. Let's go. Man. We're halfway through. There you go. See? Volume. Let's go. Get out of there. Use your ankles to get out. Nice. Use your ankles. Use your guard. That's good.
American flags.
Nice. Good.
Ah, the boxer's throwing kicks now.
Yeah. That's you. Good job. Right?
Let it in. Where are you going? You're going towards the mess. Don't go towards the mess. Like I said.
"45 seconds. Yeah, keep the pressure. Catch those kicks, Ricardo.
There you go. I like that. There you go. Okay. Good. Great. We're getting something.
Yeah, it takes me a while. It takes me a while to think about it like cuckoo.
That was good.
I'm surprised. I'm throwing kicks now.
Throwing kicks now.
Yeah? Yeah, so if you box, he wants to learn how to throw kicks, you can come to me, yeah? You know? and learn it like I did. You know?
There we go.
That's the not going to.
That's the Ames commercial right there. If you're just a boxer, come learn some kicks.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Get up to the side. What is it? 8? 8 round? Not sure. Alright. How much energy you use? You do it like so. You have to more. There. Not here. Asleep. Sleep.
Michael, I know you have a UFC Hall of Fame trophy and a jacket to go along with it. Gotta think this would look nice on the mantle too.
Also got a middleweight championship strap.
Yeah, let's not
I want
forget
to
about
mention
it.
that one. Listen, beautiful thing, but let me tell you,